If your diesel engine sounds like this one, kind of like your tia's trying to call you across the dance floor because she wants you to dance with her, come over here. It's possible that you have an exhaust leak. Let me show you what I found on this engine. Notice this black soot right here. This indicates an exhaust leak, and let me show you where it's coming from. This engine's a Max Force 11, and this is your high pressure turbo. The V-clamp right here is broken. It appears that somebody replaced the exhaust manifold and over torqued this clamp. This one's gonna need to get replaced. If not already doing so, make sure you follow me on here and on Instagram. I post more often over there.